Hello! So today I wanted to do fruit nails because the weather's starting to get better, it's nice and summery, and I always like to do designs that reflect the weather or the time of year. So I thought I would film the way that I do my fruit nails. I've done a selection of different fruits for each nail. So you could just choose one fruit and recreate that on all of your nails. So for example, do all of your nails as strawberries, or you could do the same with different fruits on it. The orange and the lemon are basically the same design, but in orange and yellow. And you can also do lime and have those three as a bit of a citrus design on your nails as well, which would look quite cool. So the fruits that I've decided to do are orange, lemon, watermelon, strawberry and pineapple. Obviously the colours that I am using are the colours of those fruits. For some of the designs I am using my nail art pens, however you can always use a small paintbrush with a thin brush to recreate any of the designs using a normal nail varnish of whatever colour it is that you're wanting to use. I do have a lot of half-started, new or random extra bits from nails, some of which I'm not sure where they've turned up from, which I've just collected over the years. So I do often use a random selection when I'm doing my nails. I am not someone who has a complete set of anything, so I have a few from one set, maybe another one from somewhere else, a different shop, a different make. All of my nail varnishes are different. But I think that makes it quite good because I always do have a random colour that maybe wouldn't be in a set because I've just found it by itself. So if you want to join in, have a go at it, see how they turn out, I hope you enjoy. Now I'll finish doing my fruit nails and I'm really happy with how they've turned out. I think they're nice and summery, they're really bright, and I just think that they look really nice. Whenever you're doing any fruit design, even if you're doing different fruits, apples or whatever it is, I just think it's a really nice design to do because fruits generally are really vibrant colours and I always like having something really bright on my nails. Especially in spring and summer when the weather's getting nicer and the sky outside's bright, so I like my nails to be bright. I really hope you enjoyed the video. If you have tried to do any of the designs, then please comment any pictures or send me any pictures because I would love to see. If you did enjoy the video, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe, and I will try to upload another one quite soon. If you have any suggestions of what you would want a specific design for me to do, then let me know. I'm also going to put in the description my Instagram so that you can have a look on there because I have a lot of different nail designs that I have done on there, and so if any of those you want me to recreate as a video, let me know. And if you enjoy seeing the different designs I create, then give that account a follow as well. See you soon.